So, today I'm going to be playing this game. I'm pretty sure you guys know it. And I'm going to try open the thing. You see what I mean. I'm going to try open the door. So without trying to get caught. Pretty sure it was here somewhere. No, it's not. Is it there? Oh. It was not there. So I had to have been here. Yeah. Yeah, it was here, Pretty sure. That's a keycard. Oh, so someone already opened it. Oh. I'm gonna take that. Alright, so that's opened. Now what do I do? I don't understand what I do now. 60 rounds. Wait. Oh. Lost me in the corner. What? I'll read that later. Huh. What is this? Oh, my game is lagging. I can't. Wait, where did I go up from there? Alright. Perfect. No, I don't want to risk that if I die. I don't know. Oh. This is the thing that killed me. What the flip? Why is he not dying? Why is he not? Are you serious? Wait, why didn't it die? No way, bro. Alright. You're not coming in here, buddy. Sorry. Don't open it. Dimmer, don't. Dimmer, do not. You idiot. Stop, I swear. If he opens it, I'm just gonna... This is dumb guy, bro. Idiot. Wait, is there stuff out there? Swear there was something right here. I swear. How do you say his name? Is it Dimer or Dimmer? Oh, flip. Oh, where's my gun when I need it now? Wait, what? Oh, no! No, you gotta be kidding me. No. Get in. Come on, dude. Yeah, now you're on it. Bye. What? Cannot waste any time. 10802. He's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. No. Let's go. Papa. Bro, where's my gun at, man? Ah! How is that guy so strong, bro? Alright. I'll make more Roblox videos as well. I'll make more gaming videos. Alright, get out. I'm not coming in here. Okay, so I'll go back where I came. I haven't got the guns. So I went here. By the way, I'm playing on an Xbox controller. So, yeah. I connected it to my phone. Man, how do I get in now, man? Sit here. That thing wouldn't let me press. Are you kidding me? No, 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 no. Yes! Oh, what a clutch. What's this? What's this? I'm inside. Oh, how do I get out? Oh. What the hell? What the hell is this? Wait, can I choose any gun I want? Wait, what? Yo, I'm so confused. What just happened? It said pick a bunch. I'm pretty sure I just took something. Alright, that was weird. I need to find that again. Where am I? Should I respawn? I'm pretty sure I've been here before. Oh, please, man. Please. Please. Ah! Open. 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 What are you doing? Oh my, alright. That was kind of worth it. Because now I can wait. I'm alright, right? I'm gonna move down and then I'm gonna go back up. I'm just gonna see what there is here. In case there's any guns, because I need some guns. pressing it with my finger. Just to see. Alright. There we go. Wait, what if there's more in other compartments? Whatever, it's cool. Cleaner one part. Yeah, we've been here. Alright. Elevator. What's this? Liquid. I'll make some videos on Hello Neighbor too, because I've finished it. I haven't finished it, but like I could do it for you guys. Alright. I need to get to that vault again, because there was pistols there and everything. How do I open it? I'm not sure how to open it, guys. Alright, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Huh? No, why'd you close it, you stupid guy? I have no ammo. Are you kidding me? Open. Bro, I'm so buns at this game. What are you doing? Close the door, you stupid guy. Oh, what is that? Get him out. Oh, I said get him out. Yes. Clutch. Alright. I'm gonna do a different game. Alright. Okay. So what should I do? Continue. I should do 99 nights in the forest. Yeah. Alright, 99 nights in the forest. I'll do some with my friends as well. Alright. Is there one where you can be by yourself? Three. No. 5. I'm the lowest one. Blue. Alright, so yes. Claim diamonds. Find the missing children. I've played this game before. I've played these games before. Alright, let's play. I'm back. So I need some wood. So for the first night it won't get me. Catch the bunny. Bro, can it just... Alright. Sorry, bunny. Come back here. You're not leaving. Bro, how is this bunny sending me, bro? Alright, on set. Sorry, bro. Is my fire already low? Oh, how is it already low like that, bro? I need this bunny. Sorry. No, I'm just gonna grind wood for now. For the night, you know. Let's pass me this one. Bro! Alright. So I got the bunny foot. I got some bunny feet. Bro! Grow, rhymes with grow. Already. Alright, there's a house. I'll get the house. Night. There's no way. I'm going to the house as well. Thank you. What the flip? Bro, zone. Are you serious? Is there any more wood? No, I don't think there's any more wood. Ah, what is that? Alright. I guess I will take some food. So I do. Old bed, bunny trap, crafting bench 2. Alright. I'm gonna see. Oh, I should. What's that? Bunny foot. Alright, I need some bunny feet. I need to get some wood. Alright, so now it gets like, alright. It gets bigger, the file. Alright, most of this has been playing that monster game. Oh, I thought I was gonna burn. Alright, bunny feet, bunny foot. Dawn then. How'd I do it? Bro, I'm using my phone real quick. Alright. Ah, my phone is so hot. Do you wanna, alright then, bro. Done. I feel like alright, I'll get a good sack. Because I can carry more things. I guess I'll just like get a bunny. But I should also get a flashlight as well. So I'm gonna check the houses. Bro, I hate this thing. Oh, flip. Right, where's the house at? Where's the house? I swear there was the house right here. There. Better be quick. I'll look for the children after. There's a wolf right there. Alright, open chest. And Coca-Cola. There better be a... What is this? Bandage! Yes, yes, yes. Alright, alright. Revolver ammo, come on. Pretty sure there should be a revolver somewhere. What's that? A bolt? I'll take that. What's that? Coal? Alright. See, because if I didn't get the good set, then I would have had less things. Alright. So that's it in this house. That's buns. I need. Wait, it said there was a revolver here. So, a revolver ammo. Can't find it, but I'll look for it. Chair. Why would I need a chair? Alright, I better be quick. Let me see how low my fire is. It's not that low, but I'll still get some wood. Wait. Oh yeah, I also need food as well, so I guess I'll just get some food. What is bunny jumps everywhere, bro? Forget that guy. I should have got a flashlight, to be honest. Be right back. That guy. My mom just called. Yeah, I think it's still on the thing. Alright, never mind. But this bunny can't escape me, bro. Thank you. So this look flip. Are you kidding me, bro? Bruh. Done. Alright, bro. So got that. Let me just see what I have. So I take the meat. Alright, I'm just gonna grind wood. Oh, this bunny, get in there, bro. Catch that bunny. What's that? No, it's like a little park, bro. There's a chest. It's some dusty park, bro. What's that? What? What does it say? Seed box. Fireflies around the map. Alright. What the hell? Alright, wait, Alright. So I'm gonna get the kid. I'm gonna put him in my sack. You can put the kid in your sack. 24 minutes. So I guess like I'll make a part 2 of this later. I'll just restart everything. Yeah, I guess that. Oh yeah, my sack. I need to be in my sack. Wait, let me just position my phone so it's in a bit. Alright, that's better. Reviewing locations. So who's playing the music? Oh, that's my phone. I thought that was outside. Alright. So he says it's this way. Alright. Let's go find that missing kid. I hope wait, I'll just grind wood. Night is approaching as well, but I'm so cooked. Coca-Cola. I'm just gonna chop down all the trees. Alright. Let me just put this in the fire. Are you mad? Somewhere. That looks like a happy place. He's drawing on all that, bro. I wouldn't be sad. Let's see what I have. Are you kidding me? So all of this is wood. I need to get to 100 so the map can be bigger. Alright, that's fine, I guess. Let me see what I can craft it. So I could have... Alright, so I'm gonna craft a map. I need 3 wood. There we go. 3 wood. 3 wood. No, just give me enough. About enough. Perfect. I need some food as well, bro. I have to do everything right now. How is it only day 3? What? It said 3. I have 3. I'll just feed it to the fire then. Alright, so this one, I'm just gonna get the wood. Alright, no wait, there's a thing there, so I'll look in there. There's a wolf just standing there, bro. It's been there for like 3 days. Ever eating. I'm not checking the info right now, bro. That's outside of my house, by the way. Stinks boat. Alright. Wolf answer. So the wolf's not gonna attack me or anything. I thought I was gonna drop off. Why is it stairs like this, man? What's here? Yes! Old flashlight. Yes! I finally got a flashlight. Let's go. What's this? Huh? Sheet metal. Bet! What's here? I don't think I need that. I'll come back for it though. Long time. So, I need some food. Alright. Hold up. That increased. There's another house, I think. Yeah, there's another house. Alright, bet. And there's a mushroom house down there. I'll check that out. I keep on forgetting about my food. Stop doing that. It's so annoying when it does that. Berries. Thank you. Another chest. Bet! So I'll put that in there. What's this? There's nothing in there. What's this? There's nothing in there. Alright. Waste of my time. No, man. Now let's check the shroom house, bro. I need a gun as well. Move. I don't want you. What? You'll be attacked tonight. Return to your fire. Shut up right now. Right, I'll return. Alright, so I'm gonna put the fuel canister in. I think that's what it's in. Ooh, yes. Yeah. I will be attacked. Oh, I need food then. I need food. Bunny, I'm sorry. He was already low. Oh, it's night as well. It's night. It's still screaming. Are you serious? I don't care, man. What are they gonna do, huh? What? Are you serious? Nah, you gotta be kidding me. What? Oh no. What? No, not that thing as well. I'm gonna die. Where's the revolver when I need it? Are you? Nah. I need to eat. I'm gonna die. I'm literally one hit. Nah then. Let's see if you guys saw that. Alright. So wait. Oh, okay. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one.